Hey, before we get into today's video, I just want to let you know that this is actually part of a video series called Maintenance Mondays, which is a series of 2-minute long videos designed for the band or orchestra classroom to make sure that your students never come to my repair shop because they know how to take care of their instruments. Go check out Maintenance Mondays at repairmasterclass.com. Do you know what this little guy is? This is another way to keep your saxophone out of my repair shop. This is the end plug, and all saxophones have one, and they're there for a really important reason. On every saxophone, you've got the octave key that pushes against this one that's up here on your neck. Well, when you take the neck off, this guy sticks way up past the body of your saxophone. With that octave key sticking up past your saxophone, when you go to put it in your case, that's what gets beat up and bangs around a lot. That's what the end plug is for. It now protects that and puts all the weight on the plug so it doesn't bounce up and down and doesn't move around the way it does with that out of it. So to protect this guy on your saxophone and keep your instrument in adjustment, you got to use the end plug.